The Critical Tattoo CX2R power supply comes with a dual output feature. This allows you to have two different machines plugged in at the same time and quickly swap between them without having to unplug and plug in different clip cords. To enable this feature, enter the configuration menu by pressing and holding the left and right arrow key. Scroll down to output. By default, the output is on left, which means that any preset left or right will output power to the left machine only. The right output is the same, but it outputs power just to the right machine on all presets. The both feature allows output to left machine on the left preset and output to the right machine on the right preset. So the left preset runs the left machine, switch over to the right, now the right machine is running.